Welcome to Car Vibes. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the Chevrolet C10 pickup, a true icon in the world of classic American trucks. The C10 represents a perfect blend of vintage charm, rugged utility, and timeless design that continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike. From its muscular body lines to its surprisingly comfortable interior, this truck is much more than just a workhorse. It's a symbol of an era. Starting with the exterior, the Chevrolet C10 has that unmistakable old-school appeal. Its boxy shape, clean steel panels, and chrome detailing make it stand out in any setting. The signature dual headlights and bold front grille give it a commanding presence, while the long bed design and squared-off wheel arches speak to its functionality and durability. Many models feature stylish two-tone paint jobs, but even in a single color like Galaxy Gray or Deep Blue, the C10 looks stunning. Classic 15-inch wheels with period-correct hubcaps complement its stance and give it a planted, sturdy look on the road. When you step inside, the C10 surprises with a dash of comfort and simplicity. The interior cabin is basic by modern standards, but it offers everything a driver needs and more. Bench seats with vinyl or cloth upholstery provide room for three, and the classic steering wheel with its thin rim and large diameter delivers a true old-school driving feel. The dashboard layout is clean, with analog gauges providing clear readouts for speed, fuel, temperature, and oil pressure. Some models came equipped with AM/FM radios and simple HVAC controls, and enthusiasts often upgrade these without taking away from the truck's originality. It's a cabin built for durability, but it doesn't sacrifice style with its metal dash, detailed trim, and retro vibe. Under the hood, performance varies depending on the model year and configuration, but the C10 lineup generally featured a range of engines, from straight sixes to small block V8s. One of the most popular power plants was the 350 cubic inch V8, delivering plenty of torque and a deep, satisfying rumble. Paired with a 3-speed manual or a turbo hydromatic automatic transmission, the driving experience is raw, mechanical, and deeply engaging. Rear-wheel drive was standard, and while it doesn't offer the off-road capabilities of modern pickups, the C10 excels on pavement with solid ride comfort thanks to its coil spring suspension. It was built to haul, tow, and last, and it continues to prove that even decades later. When it comes to pricing, the Chevrolet C10 has become a collector favorite, and values reflect that. Entry-level, unrestored examples might start around $10,000 to $15,000 depending on condition and mileage. Clean, restored models with original V8s and classic paint schemes can command $25,000 to $40,000, especially if they're in show-ready condition. Custom builds or restomods with upgraded interiors, disc brakes, and performance parts can even push beyond $50,000. The C10's rising value shows how sought after these classic pickups have become, especially as interest in vintage American trucks grows stronger. What makes the Chevrolet C10 so special isn't just its durability or styling, it's the legacy it carries. It represents a time when trucks were simple, honest, and built with purpose. Whether you're looking at it for daily driving, weekend cruising, or a showpiece in your garage, the C10 pickup delivers a classic driving experience that's hard to replicate today. It's a truck that continues to earn respect wherever it goes and remains a symbol of American automotive craftsmanship. Thanks for watching Car Vibes. Subscribe for more classic reviews and modern comparisons every week.